You sleepy? I didn't say jump on me. I just asked you if you were sleepy. No licking me in the face. Nasty. Get down. She's so sleepy, she don't know what to do with herself. Noodle.
Your Honor,
She's trying to hang.
well, let's do it this way. Mr. Depp, these are
Because
text
I'm up here
messages
watching
back and
this.
forth from you to your
I ain't take my
other
medicine,
personal
so that's
assistant,
why I
Nathan
ain't
Holmes,
sleepy. But
in March of 2015. Correct?
she just keep walking back and forth. She wants to go to bed.
Your Honor,
But
I
it's
know that the
raining.
whole thing is going to draw an objection,
And
but
it ain't thundering,
would
but
like
when it
to
rains,
admit
she knows
Mr.
that
Depp's
it's bound to
text,
thunder.
which I have here
So
highlighted. I
she's
think we can
scared of the
redact
thunder.
pretty quickly,
So she won't go to the bedroom
this
to get in her
document.
bed.
I'm happy to have them
She's so
highlighted
sweet.
if you'd like to.
But she won't go get in her bed because she's scared.
To counsel the highlighted portion.
She's scared, baby.
It's actually 3.
I was doing laundry.
Not through all.
But I'm done. I'm done. 2 empty baskets over there. Yeah. Woohoo. Good job, Mom. Seriously. Go get in the bed, Prissy. Go get in the bed, Mama. Yeah, I know. Go get in the bed. You're hurting me. You stepped on my foot. Go get in the bed, Mama. Yes, go get in the bed. Go to bed.
You have no objection with just admitting Mr. Dow's messages?
353 with the redactions.
Yes, and I think we can, you'll just
Let me
indulge
finish
for a minute.
watching my
Yeah,
trial.
done. Thank you.
Trying to get caught up.